Welcome, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we are going to explore the transformative power of remote monitoring systems in maintenance and operations teams in your facility. We'll discuss how these systems can boost productivity, cut costs, enhance data quality, and provide you with instant access to vital information. Stick around till the end to learn how it's a game changer for teams like yours. Let's talk about why you should implement a remote monitoring system in your facility. This system is like having multiple sets of eyes throughout your facility, leading to improved productivity, reduced costs, higher quality data, and instant access to information. First, let's discuss how a remote monitoring system can increase productivity. According to the IIoT world, this system has the potential to improve productivity by 15 to 50%. That's right, up to 50%. Many facilities use key performance indicators, or KPIs, to measure performance improvements. For instance, overall equipment effectiveness is a KPI that looks at production rate, downtime, and quality to help companies evaluate improvements over time. Next, let's talk about cost reduction. A remote monitoring system can effectively manage maintenance, repair, and operations inventories automatically. Imagine if tools, supplies, and spare parts could be efficiently tracked and automatically reordered when needed. This would reduce the cost of storing and managing these inventories while having the items you need readily available for reactive and preventive maintenance requests. Now, let's move on to data quality. When you rely on humans to monitor, track, and record information, there's a high risk of error. A remote monitoring system that automatically reads and transmits key data to a centralized computer system is much more accurate and can provide more regular access to important information. Here's a tip for you. You can also set up acceptable ranges in your CMMS, as well as trigger ranges to initiate maintenance requests before an asset fails. Finally, let's talk about instant access to information. Having the right information at the right time is critical to making the best decisions, whether that be in the C-suite or in the field. A remote monitoring system provides that instant access to critical data. For example, a field technician completing a maintenance work order in a remote location can pull up the repair and maintenance history of the asset to inspect its operation, repair problems, or flag any potential concerns for the future. Facilities managers, on the other hand, can prioritize maintenance requests more effectively by reviewing the state of all critical assets and systems in one central location. So there you have it. Implementing a remote monitoring system in your facility can increase productivity, reduce costs, improve data quality, and provide instant access to information. It's a game changer for maintenance and operations teams. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the benefits of remote monitoring systems, including increased productivity, cost reduction, improved data quality, and instant access to information. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information about our tools and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping your team be more successful.